Good morning, dear children. I hope you are doing good. Today we are going to learn a same lesson, that is lesson 2, understanding windows. But today we are going to learn a very interesting topic and important topic in a practical way. Let's go to the lesson. So basic operations on the desktop. So it is the basic operation on the desktop. Okay, so selecting and deselecting the icons. Okay, how to select the icons and how to deselect the icons, that we are going to do now. So for that we have to follow. To select an icon, so if we want to select an icon, simply click on it. So on the icon we have to simple click on it, then it will be highlighted, then it will selected. So deselecting an icon, so to deselect an icon, click away from it. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. So now we will do in a practical way. So these are the icons in the last class we learned. So now I want to select this icon, so I keep it my mouse point on it, then I give simple click on it. So now it is selected. Okay, see here. So in the deselected icons are not have a this box type something. So now this icon is selected. So now I want to deselect these icons. I want to select another icons, another application means, so I have to keep any empty place of desktop and I have to give simple click. So now it is not selected, it is as a normal icons. Okay, so the next format. So now we know how to select the icons and how to deselecting the icons. Okay, so the next, selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. So how to select the adjacent items and non-adjacent items. Left click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Okay, and release the shift key, all the adjacent items are selected. So this is they are given how to selecting adjacent items. So if we have in our desktop more applications, so I have to select all the applications and I have to rearrange in another computer. So I need all the applications icons. So for that I have to select first left click. So this is our mouse. Okay, this is the mouse, and here we have to hold the mouse like this. Okay, we have to hold the mouse like this, and this is the left key, click on left click button on the mouse, and this is right click on the mouse, and this is scroll. Okay, so here they told that left click on the first item to be selected. So the first icons we have to keep it mouse, then we have to select it, then we have to press the shift key. Okay, and click on all the items, all the icons. So in the keyboard this is the shift key. Okay, this is the shift key, my dear children. So we have to select the first icon, keep it on our mouse point, and we have to press the shift key to select all the icons, all the applications. So now we will do the selecting adjustment items first. Okay, for that we have to open the desktop. Now we are going to see selecting adjacent in a practical way. So for that we have to click in the first application, so it is selected. Then we have to press shift, then we have to select. So now all the icons are selected. This is adjacent item selected. Okay, so first, once again I am telling, first we have to click on the icons, then we have to press the shift key, then we have to select the last icons, then all the applications will select. So this is the selecting adjacent items. Okay, so this is the way to select the icons. So now we are going to see the selecting non-adjacent items. Okay, selecting non-adjacent items. For that, hold down the control key, click on each of the items to be selected one by one. This way you can select the non-adjacent items. So this is the method how to we select non-adjacent items. So that we will see now in a practical way. So for that, first we have to open the desktop, then so now I want to select the particular application. I don't want to all the applications. I need some important and particular application that I am going to select now. That is called non-adjacent items. Okay, so for that I need first recycle bin, this application I need. So I selected that. Then I have to press control key. Okay, then I don't need the second application, so I want the third one, so I selected. So this icons is not selected, and again I need the last application. So now which application I need, that only I selected. So this is called as a non-adjacent item. Okay, so the first we saw that selecting adjacent items, that if we want all the applications, for that we have to keep the mouse point in the first application, then we have to click on it, then we have to press the shift key, then we have to click on the last application, then the all application will selected. That is called selecting items. Now non-adjacent items, for that we have to do particular which application I need, that we can select it, others we no need to select. Okay, so for that I need the first application, then I click on it, the first application, then we have to press the control key, then this application I need, then it is also selected, and this also I need. So which I selected, that application only it is selected now. So this is the difference between selecting items and non-adjacent items. Okay, so I hope you understand how to do the selecting adjacent items and non-selecting adjacent items. So, and the next one is arranging the desktop icons. Arranging the desktop icons. So as you arrange your study desk to make it tidy, likewise you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. To do this, so how we arrange, how your small kids, how you can arrange your school bags. Okay, keep it neat and tidy, and your home also your study rooms should be neat and tidy. So likewise in our desktops, if it is not tidy, if it is not proper arranged, so we can arrange in a proper. So for that, first we have to do right click on the blank area of desktop. So you will find the list of options. Then we have to do select the view option. In that we have to select the view option and click on the auto arrange icons options from the sub menu. Observe the, then we have to observe the changes. So first what we have to do, so first we have to click on the empty place of desktop. Then we have to select the view option. Then we have to select auto arrange icons. Then it will select in a alphabetical order. So now it is in a proper arrange. Now it is looking neat and tidy. The next topic is sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. Right click on the blank area of the desktop, a shortcut menu appears. Point to the sort by option and click on the name sub option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. So first topic, it is not proper arranged, so we arrange in a proper way. So now if we want to arrange in a alphabetical order or name wise, then we have to do this method. So for that we have to open the desktop. In a practical way, first we have to right click on the empty place. Then we have to select the sort by option. Then we have to select the name option. Then it will arrange in a name wise or alphabetical order wise. So this is the sorting the icons. That is the method how to do. So thank you dear children. I hope you understand these topics and you do practice at your home. Thank you and have a nice day.